welcome back to our channel again. Today guys, as in super lakas ng ulan. Tingnan nyo naman, ilang days na guys na umuulan dito sa India. So, since how many, more than 10 days na umuulan. Ayan. Walang tigil ang ulan guys. Si Dada nandoon sa likod. Nangunguha siya ng bulaklak. So, tingnan natin siya. Ako guys, nanguha ako dyan sa harap ng mga jasmine. At si Dada nandoon sa likod. So, tapos na ako dito. Tingnan nyo naman guys kung gaano kalakas ang ulan. Since kagabi, super. So, dito ako nanguha ng mga bulaklak. Tapos na ako dyan. Ayan. Si Dada nandun, no? Nandun siya sa likod. Tapos paglaglagan yung ng mga niyog. Ayan. Niyog. So much rain, no?
Yesterday, make this one nice water goes.
Yeah, water is going there. So,
Horrible rain.
tingnan nyo naman guys yung aming yes, check. Yeah, you check. Yung aming tanim na jasmine, no? Na daming tubig na. Tingnan nyo naman guys, so, naku. Ilang days na umuulan. As in. Kasi paglaglagan yung ng niyog mo. Ay, naku, ano ba yan? Walang tigil ang ulan. May introduction pa naman si Orly ngayon sa school. Punta kami. Hi, Olen! Ay naman si Dada. It's raining! Ayan. Ay! Show your new new umbrella.
Guys, look at this.
Time check is 7:45 guys in the morning. As in guys, grabe yung yung ulan. As in. Since if you go there, you will become wet. Go if you want. Try to go.
Give me that umbrella then.
No, it's okay, you have umbrella. No? You will use that later. Your umbrella when you go to school. Dada tying the jasmine.
And I am playing with, I don't know.
How to tie, Dada?
Guys, 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 guys. Ooh.
Yes, tell me.
Guys, see the smoke. The smoke. I'm roving around this one and the smoke is coming.
That is for mosquito.
Yeah, okay.
Hi guys.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. It's raining.
No, good morning clouds.
Today we're going to the school of Orlean for the introduction. And now, too much cloudy. It's going to be rain again.
Dada, can you please make it slowly? Otherwise, I will hit you.
And early morning, guys, it's too heavy rain.
Yeah. And every time when Mama is taking the flowers, it's like heavy.
The clouds, oh my goodness.
The cloud looks like cotton candy.
The rain's like, one bucket
Of water.
water pouring in the
One bucket of water in the bucket. One drop of water.
It's so cloudy, my goodness. For how many days? More than 10 days now, no? more than 10 days.
Raining.
It's raining, guys. Tired. Raining every day.
I'm tired of raining because I cannot sleep.
You are nicely sleeping. Okay, don't tell me you did not sleep.
I know.
You're also nice sleeping.
I know I'm nice.
But the thing is, you cannot go everywhere. It's wet, no? Everywhere. Here and there, water everywhere.
Lazy to do anything.
Yes. So that's it only. Now we're going to Sherva
Why?
to Don Bosco. Now starting the rain again. My goodness. We are here now, guys, in Don Bosco.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel again.
Guys, tapos na kami doon sa school niya. Then, tapos na rin namin kinuha yung yung school uniform ni Orlin. What is your school uniform?
I tried it. I tried it
fit
without.
for her.
I try without. I am changing my clothes. Without
Later in the house we will
try in the house.
Well, I kept this one there.
we will check that
Excuse
one.
me, you can't give to Mama, okay? This is not your property.
So we are here going to shop to buy the sandal of Orlin. Here's the Sherva, guys, again. Just now stop raining.
I have headache. Okay, stop it. So annoying.
Dada have headache.
Because I'm eating pizza. Nom nom.
Where will go?
Plastic here.
Dada, please can you buy ice cream for me?
It's not ice cream shop. Go home and come or direct.
Oh, you need to put that one out inside to change it.
What? You didn't do it?
I think, but where are we? The sandal, where are we? You buy tomato?
Yeah.
I did not see. We are here, guys, to yawning to buy her sandal for school. Tight.
I'm feeling sicker.
थोड़ा हाँ एक तो बड़ा चाहिए
Tight.
वेट
And this one, we take the guys for raining season. No? That's why they're not wearing shoes. So they will wear sandal for until the rain it will be stopped. So they will use this one.
Guys, look. See me. Chicken banana. I am bigger than you guys.
Okay.
Who's ready?
Hi. Too much rain. Rain. Heavy rain.
痛いと？ハマれたい？ハマれたい？え？ハマれたいと？狙ってんが。
Tumo.
Ah. Tama. Tama.
Guys, nandito na kami sa bahay. At ang lakas ng ulan, guys. Super. Thundering, guys. Oh my God. Walang tigil ang ulan. As in. Madilim pa rin. Time check is already 5 o'clock.